You already know the answer deep down, you've already decided what needs to happen, but instead of doing it, you think about it, and think about it, until the moment passes and nothing changes. You run every possible scenario, every outcome, every way it could go wrong. You rehearse every version of every possibility until you are so exhausted that you simply do nothing. This is why you replay conversations from 3 years ago or solve problems that don't exist at 3 in the morning. You are preparing for disasters that never come, living in a future that is entirely made up inside your own head. You know this isn't helping. You know that overthinking never actually solves the problem, yet the cycle feels impossible to break. Overthinking is not a thinking problem. It is a trust problem, and until you understand that nothing changes here is what is really happening inside your mind. Overthinking is your brain's attempt to create certainty in an uncertain world, believing that if it just thinks long enough, it can find the guaranteed safe path. But that path does not exist. Carl Jung observed that we often use this high-speed analysis as a way to avoid the weight of our own feelings. Thinking provides a sense of productivity and safety. It creates a buffer. As long as you stay in your head, you don't have to face the vulnerability of taking a risk or getting hurt. The mind spins endlessly to create distance between yourself and the exact moment you have to take a risk. It chooses the exhaustion of analysis over the terror of feeling something real. This hesitation suggests that at some point you learn to fear your own gut reactions. Maybe a decision you once made turned out badly, or you were told that your feelings were too much. You decided that following your instincts was a liability you couldn't afford to repeat. Many overthinkers grew up in environments where mistakes carried heavy consequences. In a world where being wrong feels dangerous, you have to analyze everything perfectly just to feel secure. And so your brain learned to never stop checking, never stop questioning, never stop analyzing, because it decided long ago that making a mistake was something you wouldn't survive. Because the one time it stops, something might go wrong, and you decided long ago that going wrong was not something you could survive. Overthinking is the sound of a mind that has forgotten how to trust its own pulse. This internal defense mechanism keeps you safe, but it also keeps you from living every moment spent. Overthinking is a moment stolen from living. Every scenario you run in your head is energy taken from the life in front of you. You lose the ability to be present. You cannot connect with your life while your mind is 3 weeks in the future, or replaying yesterday. The life you're trying to protect through all that thinking eventually slips away because you were too busy preparing to live it. Reclaiming your time requires rebuilding your self-trust through immediate physical action. Start by making small, low-stakes decisions without any deliberation. Choose what to eat or which route to take, and then simply observe that nothing catastrophic happened. You're proving to your brain that your instincts are actually fine. When you catch yourself spiraling, ask one question: is this thought solving something or just scaring me? You have permission to put down any thought that only serves to scare you. The risk-free path you're looking for does not exist. The guaranteed outcome is an illusion designed to keep you from the present vulnerability. Your life is asking you to show up for it right now. It doesn't require all the answers or a perfect plan. It just requires you to be willing to handle whatever happens next.